Hello, everyone. Welcome to the world of wonderful, informative science experiments. Today's experiment is identification of cation. Ferric ion, Fe3+. Cations are positively charged ions. Most of the cations are metal ions. Cations combine with anions, negatively charged ions, and form salts. We can identify the cations present in the salts by using two reagents: sodium hydroxide and ammonium hydroxide. In this experiment, I will show you how to identify the presence of ferric ion using the above reagents. I am performing this experiment using Laboxd Science Experiment Kit. I hope you're ready for the experiment. So, let us begin. The materials required for this experiment are 2 test tubes, water, sodium hydroxide solution, ammonium hydroxide solution, ferric chloride salt. Take sodium hydroxide solution, ammonia solution, take some water, a cork, 2 test tubes, ferric chloride salt, take 1 test tube and add ferric chloride salt into the test tube. Now add few drops of water into the test tube. Close the tip of the test tube using a cork. Shake the test tube to dissolve the salt well and prepare a solution. Divide the solution into 2 equal parts. Take sodium hydroxide. Now add sodium hydroxide solution. First a little. Observe. We can see a reddish-brown precipitate. Add more sodium hydroxide and observe. It is insoluble. Keep it aside. Take ammonium solution. Now take another test tube and add few drops of ammonium hydroxide and observe. We can see a reddish brown precipitate. Add more ammonium hydroxide and observe. It is insoluble. Stir it well. Keep it aside for some time. Now observe. So, ferric ion, if present in the salts, forms an insoluble reddish-brown precipitate with excess sodium hydroxide and ammonium hydroxide. Let us understand. The chemical reaction is FeCl3, ferric chloride, plus 3NaOH. Sodium hydroxide reacts to give 3NaCl, sodium chloride, plus FeOH thrice, ferric hydroxide. It is a reddish-brown insoluble precipitate. In the second reaction, FeCl3, ferric chloride, plus 3NH4OH, ammonium hydroxide reacts to give 3NH4Cl, ammonium chloride, plus FeOH thrice, ferric hydroxide. It is a reddish-brown insoluble precipitate. Quiz time. Name the reagents used for the identification of ferric ion. Sodium hydroxide and ammonium hydroxide. Second question. What is the observation when sodium hydroxide solution is added in excess to ferric chloride solution? Insoluble reddish-brown precipitate is evolved. Third question. What is the observation when ammonium hydroxide solution is added in excess to ferric chloride solution? Reddish-brown insoluble precipitate. I hope you all enjoyed. Thank you for watching.